All right. Well, we have before us the oil pan of the Lexus, the 1MZ-FE engine, and as you can see, we have some. Let me get a better view of it for you, so you can see clearly. Yeah, we have some metal in our oil pan, and clearly something is wrong. As you can see, this is just filled with metal. Look at my fingers. Um, let's go see something else. All right, now let us go. As you can see, the vehicle is in the air. We got up our bottom pan, and right now we are under the vehicle. And let's look at this. Let's see something beautiful. Ooh, would you look at that? That's not good, is it?